Hi, I'm Patrick, and this video should talk to you about the CAT25 mentorship course that you have. So we have it online, Dadar or Thane, so whichever way you want. Just to give you information about a particular course, what does it contain and what do we do? We have been running teaching students for manual entrance for the last 23 years plus years, and yes, the focus is manual entrances, CAT, etc. We have various resources for CAT on a YouTube channel. Road 200 series, CAT25 solutions, concepts and methods required to scale 100 percentile. So all this. So look, if you are interested, do subscribe to the channel. The mentorship course. Now, basically, this course is for students who have finished the syllabus or who are comfortable with the basics. I mean, this course will not start from the basics. We have a separate thing that will start from the basics. This focus is basically for people who finish one round of syllabus and going to start the mocks or going for next round of preparation as such. Okay, so the key, because during this phase, the second round, when people start running mocks, then you require individual guidance and what to do, what not to do. What if my score goes down? How do I revise my strategy? How do I analyze my mock? All that. So individual mentoring will be provided on CAT preparation. Okay, and we will also have individual mock analysis in terms of strategy, what a strategy you used, what a strategy you used was right or wrong, how to modify a strategy, how to experiment with a strategy. It makes a lot of difference with regards to how you score in the exam. Okay, so we also will have videos on different topics. So maths, DLR, verbal, it will help you practice and learn methods. The key out here is to ensure to teach you methods that will help you solve things faster. Okay, we also have live lectures on methods. Again, the focus is to get methods right. We'll also give practice sessions. The problem with methods is when people learn methods, they tend to forget it. The focus out here is we teach you methods, but we'll also reinforce those methods by giving you enough practice for the whole thing. Okay, so practice to reinforce those methods which are there. Apart from that, yes, you'll have 30 CAT mocks with live feedback for some of them to help you prepare for the exam. I hope this is a course. If you're interested, do contact us. We can guide you accordingly. So the salient features is each of our faculty who are there, we have been there for more than 20 years training students for CAT, so we can guide you well. So we'll provide you individual attention and mentoring, what is required. Best approaches that will help you ace the CAT. So that means key would be to teach you methods that will help you do well, solve faster, and we will provide you enough material that will help you, videos, mocks, etc. required to crack the examination, right? So you can go to prep.patrick100.com to enroll, or you can contact us at 9821314788 or support@coinacademy.com for details of the course. Thank you.